In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom task types in Clickup. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and personalize the way you manage tasks, understanding how to utilize custom task types can be a game changer. So let's dive in and take a look at how you can set these up with ease. To get started, open up Clickup on your preferred web browser. Once you are on the main Clickup site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on it to sign into your account. If you're like me and prefer using Google for a quick and secure login, simply click on the Sign In with Google button. This will direct you to choose your Google account, making access to Clickup convenient and streamlined. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top left corner just below your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This is going to take you to a drop-down menu where you'll find several options. Here, we're interested in finding the Settings tab. So go ahead and select that. Within Settings, navigate towards the left-hand panel where you'll see something that says Task Types. This section is crucial because it's where you'll customize the task types according to your needs. Click on it and you're well on your way to creating customized task types that can make your workflow more intuitive. You'll then see a button marked Create Task Type. Clicking on this will prompt a new window to open where you can specify all the details for your new task type. Don't rush here, take a moment to really consider what you need from this custom task type. A fundamental part of setting up your custom task type is selecting the appropriate icon that visually represents what this task type will encompass. Simply click on the icon option to browse through and select the perfect visual cue. Next, direct your attention to naming your task type. Enter a singular name, which is what you'll call an individual instance of this task, and then follow that with a plural name. Having both ensures clarity whether you're discussing a single task or multiple. In the description field, add any additional details or guidelines that contextualize the task type. A well-written description here can help your team grasp the purpose and scope of tasks at a glance. Finally, once you've filled everything out to your satisfaction, look for the Create Task Type button. Click it and just like that, you've successfully created a custom task type in Clickup. Congratulations, you've now expanded your task management toolset in Clickup by adding a layer of customization to suit your project needs. Feel free to explore and create additional custom task types as your projects grow and evolve. Thanks for tuning in and happy tasking.